I wrote this book for people who are in a relationship with a critical partner. One of the key pieces to the book that is really exciting to me is that I used the Schema Theory as a framework for learning new things about yourself and your partner. And a schema is a core belief, and we all have schemas from early childhood experiences, and they're unconscious beliefs that drive our behavior, our emotional state, our partner selection, our worldview. And there are ways that different coping behaviors that we use to deal with our schemas. And so depending upon the coping behavior, we can have the same schema and look very different in the way that we interact with people or the kind of partners we choose. And what the reader will learn in this book is what their schema is. There's an assessment piece that is really illuminating, and I get really excited when I work with my patients and they understand something new about themselves, and they're able to really think about it and to really look at how it impacts the way that they behave and how people who they are in relationships with behave. So there's the piece for the reader, and then there's also the assessment piece that I ask the reader to do for their critical partner. A more deeper understanding of their partner in a new way, I think, is really helpful. It's hard to sometimes find yourself, find things that you love about your partner when they're really critical of you. And I think that we all can learn more and appreciate another person more if we know more about what drives them internally. And for me, this is understanding your partner's core belief. Why are they behaving this way toward you? It's not just you, it's about them. And I think that taking all of this pressure off of yourself for that you deserve this criticism or that you've done something wrong, that you understand that it takes two. And we may cognitively know that at times, but I think sometimes our emotional state, in a heightened emotional state, we don't really feel that. We feel bad about ourselves. We're getting criticized, and maybe some of the stuff our partner is saying is actually true, but it's unnecessary and it creates a really unhealthy dynamic, and it really undermines the relationship. So the schema piece is really big for me, and I'm really passionate about it. And then finally, I offer alternative coping strategies. Once you have this base of knowledge about yourself and your partner, then you can look at some of these ways that you can repair your relationship and move forward in a really healthy way. And you know, all of this is, I think one of the really big kind of overarching pieces to this book is that it creates a lot of empathy. I think, you know, it creates empathy for your partner and whatever their struggle was that has them dealing with you in this unhealthy way. And it creates, I think, the ability to be kind to yourself. And none of this is easy, but I think that it's a worthwhile journey, and I think it's powerful stuff. And I think that even if at the end of all of this you end up deciding that this partner is not the right partner for you, that you move forward with the knowledge about yourself so that you can make a partner selection based on this knowledge going forward. And so that's why I love this book, and I think that it is just a new addition to a lot of really great couples books and relationship books. I don't think that any book has specifically used the schema framework, which I think is really powerful, and so I'm excited about it.